The one piece of fitness equipment I use almost daily that doesn't feel like a workout is my vibration plate. So let me give you a demo of how this one works. This was sent to me. This one has a handlebar, which I think is really cool, especially if you're a beginner. You have a remote as well, so you can just hit the on button there once you plug it in. There's also buttons at the bottom of it. I'm gonna set it to one of the more challenging settings and hit start on that. You have kind of an option of like a walk, a run, or a jog. And then what's also cool is this one has the arm workout you can do as well. It's up to you how you want to do your workout. This bar is adjustable too, so you can put it down lower. This is the highest it will go right now. So that's how you use that bar on there. And then if you want to do exercises where you're on the ground with it, you can do that. I'll show you those options as well. You can take your shoes off. You don't have to do this with shoes. What I usually do is I'm doing my hair and well, not my makeup, but I'm doing my hair while I'm on these. And I just feel like it gives me a really good workout while I'm multitasking. So you can hear my voice is kind of shaking. That's because this is shaking way more now. So the vibrations are getting stronger on this. Included in this book are some different things you can do on it. So there's all different exercises you can do. Don't judge me on my form. So while there's many ways you can use it, my personal favorite is just to step on it, let the machine do its thing, and enjoy the workout.